Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to reopen snapshots that was already viewed. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to make sure that we do have an updated Snapchat account. We can do so by going into our App Store and make sure that we do have an updated account. Once everything is set, then we can go ahead and log into our Snapchat account. So once we are here, we can go ahead on our message icon. And once we are routed on this page, and if you notice on our screen right now, we do have a new snap. So we're going to open that one for the first time. So basically that is the image. And if in case that we are going to close this, and if you wish that we are going to review or to reopen that one, we are going to hold to replay. So basically we're just going to hold it and we're going to open this one again. So if you notice, we are able to open the snap again, but please do take note that we can only view the snap twice. That is first, the moment that we receive it. The second one is the moment that we replay viewing the snap. So there you have it. That's how we are going to reopen a snap once it was viewed. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.